Hey everybody, this is Kressler with Archery Pro, and this is an introductory video to all of the rest of our videos.
And my name's Rob. I'll be one of your instructors as well. I'm going to be sharing with you the proper foot placement that you need in order to shoot the bow. I'm going to go over some techniques and some tactics that are going to help you improve your archery. Now, here's what I recommend. Every video that we share with you, the best way to learn this is to go out and practice the exact technique that we share with you in that video before continuing on to the next one. That's going to be the best way for you to get better. Now, as with archery, is as with anything else. Practice, practice, practice. The only way you're going to get better with this is not by sitting inside and watching our videos. The best way is going out and shooting. Now, Kressler, what else do we need to cover?
Different types of equipment that are options for you in the future. This one in particular that I'm going to be using for the videos is what's called the PSE snake bow. It's the exact same bow that we send to our introductory students that are taking our introductory course with Archery Pro. It's about a 25 to 30 pound bow, so it's not super heavy. Basically, it's good for ages 9 and up. And this is exactly what you get in your kit. You get the arm guard here, you get the bow itself, and then you get some arrows and then the quiver to hold the arrows. So that's what I'll be using in order to teach the videos here. Some of the things that we're going to be going over are crossbows. We're going to be going over compound bows and the different types of the pulley systems on the compound bows. We're going over the different ways to score yourself accurately, so as you learn to start shooting competitively, if that's something you're wanting to do. In the meantime, our main focus is going to be getting accuracy on this traditional recurve bow. So keep in tune, follow along in the videos. Try not to skip around because we're doing it step by step, just how we do our lessons. And there will be quizzes that are available to you as well, so keep an eye out for those. And then let's get these videos started. I'm excited to show you guys the true fun of archery.